Search for appMink. Search for appMink. Search for appMink.
The police station is empty. What's going on? Aha! It's training time for the little cadet.
Red alert! Evil Boss is stealing gas at the station!
Pedal to the metal, Mr. Police Car. We've got to stop Evil Bus.
Oh, I can help!
Sorry, kiddo. This mission's too dangerous. You haven't finished your training. Evil Bus is headed south along Main Street. We're on the way.
The police! Say hello to my new toy, the cloning cannon.
Where did he go? There he is. You go left, monster truck police car. I'm going right. Stop right there. What? I've lost him. Evil Bus is in sight. Meet me on West Street. What's going on? Maybe we need to get glasses. There he is again. Let's go. This time, there's no escape. How can he vanish like that? Mr. Police Helicopter, do you see Evil Bus? Roger, he's driving full speed towards the edge of town. All three of him? That's it. Evil Bus fooled us by creating holograms. There's no way we can handle this without backup.
Hey, I can catch Evil Bus.
All right, now's your big chance, little cadet. I recommend you distract him until we can capture him. Mr. Police Helicopter, help the cadet if he needs anything.
Woohoo! I'm close to catching him.
No, in fact, you need to go much faster or you'll lose him.
That's alright. I won't waste my big chance. Huh? Are you lost, kid? Evil Bus, I'm here to catch you. Uh-oh. You've got potential, kid. Better luck next time. Oh man, my last chance is using the turbo, but I've never done it before. Whoa!
Mr. Police Car, should we stop him? He could get hurt. That's our smartest cadet. Even though he's small, he can do it. Was that a turbo boost? He's got a natural talent. You can do it, little cadet.
Whee! Here I go! Uh-oh! Poor guy. He doesn't even know how to brake. But I do know how to make a trap. If you think that simple trap can stop me, you're simply wrong. Wait, I've got a ton of gas. It could catch fire and cause an explosion. This is it. I've had enough with these games. Time to end this chase.
Got to go through all three of us then, evil bus.
Easy as pie. Wait, what's this?
Don't forget, there are 4 of us. I think congratulations are in order. Great job, little cadet. But don't forget that using the turbo is dangerous. Please think more carefully as our new partner.
Your new partner? Woohoo! Yeah, I'm a police officer.
He reminds me of myself as a cadet. Me too. He's got a lot to learn, but something tells me he's gonna be great.
Search for appMink.
Welcome back to appMink Town, everyone. There's a vehicle meet today for the awesome vehicle competition, and some of the vehicles from appMink are here to show off what they can do. Monster Truck is raring to go. Digger is pushing his way into position. What an impressive jump! The school bus is flying on over. The crane truck's here too, and ready to roll. Are we missing someone? Ah, it's the garbage truck, cleaning up before he gets in position. The monster truck jumps out first to show us what he can do.
Howdy, kids. I'm the monster truck. I'm the coolest ride in town. I love getting paint jobs and doing stunts. Check out my huge tires. I also have a strong chassis and extra suspension for jumps and tricks. And my engine is extra powerful. I like showing off tricks to my friends, but it often gets me dirty, and I hate taking them back. But I think being dirty just ain't cool. Grr, out of my way. Hey, wait! Kids, if you want to be cool, you've got to be strong. Look at my strong arm. I can dig holes and move heavy things. And look at my strong blade. I can move even heavier things with this. Or lift them like they're nothing and turn and place them anywhere. Tires aren't cool. Treads are much tougher. They can take you anywhere. And that's why I'm the strong. Hey, wait!
Out of the way, make way for someone who's really strong. The strongest are always in a team. We're the crane truck. We're two friends who always work together. The crane can reach up to the sky with this hook and use it to lift heavy things and place them in the right spot. But not only can he lift things, he can also smash them. Bam! We've got 6 big wheels so we can move heavy objects fast and easily. But if the crane needs more support, I have extra legs to lift heavier and higher. Teamwork is definitely the best.
I'll teach you, you giraffe.
You'll never catch us with those treads. Kids, we all know the most fun thing isn't being strong or being with just one friend. It's being with lots of friends. My body is made especially for moving lots of people at once. And I have lots of comfortable seats and top-notch suspension, making me great for carrying all your friends. We'll drive through extreme conditions together and have crazy adventures. And when it's all said and done, I'll make sure you go home safe. I bring you and your friends together. Oh no, look at the time! I'm late to pick up the kids from school again.
Hi kids, I'm not the coolest or the strongest, and I can't take you and your friends on adventures. Some of you might have seen me before though. That's because I get up really early and drive through town. I use my mechanical arm to pick up garbage bins and clean unneeded objects and store them in my body. This means you can get rid of rubbish so your home doesn't get cluttered and is tidy and clean and has room for toys. But I have to go to bed now. Tomorrow I'll be up early again. Bye kids, good night.
Thanks for watching, and tell us in the comments who your favorite vehicle is. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hi everyone, today we're getting a visit from the appMink Junior Carrier Truck. It's a bus for all our favorite colors and vehicles. Say hi, Mr. Carrier Truck. Red tow truck. Red tow truck. Green digger. Green digger. Red dump truck. Red dump truck. Green cherry picker. Green cherry picker. Red cement mixer. Red cement mixer. Red delivery truck. Red delivery truck. Green tank truck. Green tank truck. Red and blue train. Red and blue train. Red golf cart. Red golf cart. Yellow quad bike. Yellow quad bike. Red tractor and red bus. Red tractor and red bus. Red, blue, and yellow bicycle. Red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, and yellow bicycle. Yellow plane. Yellow plane. Red race car. Red race car. Red helicopter. Red helicopter. That's all the vehicles on the appMink Jr. vehicle carrier truck. Please press the subscribe button and be the first one to see the next appMink Jr. video. Welcome back to appMink Jr. Are you ready for some crazy fun? First, this dump truck's going in the microwave. Whoa, look at it go! Alright, out you come. Okay, where's he off to? Ah, it's a blender full of balls. Hop in. There we go. Oh, wow! What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a tomato! This tomato is red. Can you say red tomato? Tomatoes go great with lettuce on sandwiches. Next, we have a yellow cherry picker. In you go. Wow, look at it go, round and round. Now the yellow cherry picker's on its way over to the blender. Look at all the yellow balls. I wonder what you'll become, Mr. Yellow Cherry Picker. Ooh! It's a lemon. Lemons are also yellow. Can you say yellow lemon? Lemons taste really sour. Be careful. Alright, next we have a green digger. Into the microwave. Round and round we go. Wow! So fast. Now the green digger is gonna head over to the blender. Look at all the green balls. I wonder what the green digger will become. Ah, it's a melon. Melons are also green. Can you say green melon? Melons are easy to cut up and great for sharing. Now we have a purple tow truck. Into the microwave. Round and round we go. Now it's time for the purple tow truck to head over to the blender. Alright, in we go. I wonder what it'll be. Ah, it's a raspberry. Can you say purple raspberry? Raspberries make the most delicious jam. Now we have an orange cement mixer. Into the microwave we go. Round and round and round and round. And back out again. And off to the blender. Are you ready to get into the blender, Mr. Orange Cement Mixer? I wonder what you'll become. Ah, it's an orange. Can you say orange orange? That's it from us at appMink Jr. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.